today I'll be playing Bee Swarm and Swarm, and I have some codes for you. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go here. So the first code, guys,
and my name is
38217.
My name is.
And then you redeem it. Here it's gonna say this: receive 5 tickets. Okay, so next code is soup. So it's gonna say invert. Wait, what? Oh, wait, guys. Sorry, I did something wrong. Soup. Redeem. Okay, soup is expired then, guys. So don't count soup. Change. Expires. Sorry. Next code is roof. Okay, roof will see 5 tickets. Next is cog. And as you see here, cog is redeemed. Nectar.
I know where Dane got red.
Where? Just give you 500 honey. Yeah, bopmaster. Next, send it. Bopmaster for 5 tickets received. Next is buzz. Redeem that. It's gonna give you 500 honey. Crawlers, okay. Crawlers is the next code. Redeem. Okay, wait. I don't think I did, but wait, guys, don't count this for a second. I need to do buzz. Oh, okay, buzz is redeemed. Sorry. Next is meow. Wait, what the? Oh, sorry, guys. I just forgot to spell meow. Meow. And the last one is connoisseur. Connoisseur. And it's gonna give you concealed tickets. So that's all the codes. Some of them are expired. I'll put them in the description if you guys couldn't hear it. As you see there right now, 15. So if I go to shop here or somewhere I want to go, it's going to give me some poems. So yeah. So E to claim hive. Open the egg menu and drag. Okay. So wait, I'm gonna do those are codes, and I'm gonna do a little gameplay now. I'm on iPad, so I'm in tablet, so don't hate. Don't you hate. So see here, a lot of these costs can't afford. 22,000 honey. Oh, I can't afford that yet. Can't afford that yet. Can't even afford it yet. Need to open the shop. Okay. See, I'm not gonna do gameplay, but yeah, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please let's hit let's hit 20 subscribers. Please, I really want, and I love you guys. And guys, I want to make videos for you guys so you guys will know, and I'm gonna start making code videos so you guys will know codes and help you with some stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smack that like button and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Bye, guys.